Hey there, what's up? I hope you are doing well. So there are a lot of people that we meet every day, but only a few becomes our friends and close one. Why so? Because we like or dislike their personalities and nature. But how to describe them? Let's find out today in this video. Hi dear friends, this is Tezz from Tezz Academy and you're watching Tezz Advanced English Communication course series. So let's go, shall we? There are a lot of words, phrases and idioms for that. So let's check. An early bird. It means early to rise, early to bed. It means a person who wakes up early in the morning and goes to sleep in time. म्हणजे बऱ्याच वेळेला आपल्या कुटुंबातला एखादा व्यक्ती असतो किंवा मित्र असतो जो सकाळी खूप लवकर उठतो, व्यवस्थित आवरतो, जातो वगैरे आणि संध्याकाळी सुद्धा लवकर घरी परत येतो, त्याचबरोबर लवकर जेवून झोपतो, जास्ती जागरण वगैरे करत नाही असा व्यक्ती. अ गुड एग. इट मीन्स अ नाईस गाय, अ नाईस पर्सन. ओपन माइंडेड. It means a person thinks freely without any doubts. He doesn't mind anything like this. Straightforward. एखादा व्यक्ती रोखठोक बोलत असेल, म्हणजे मनात कोणताही विचार न करता, समोरच्याचा विचार जास्ती न करता जे काही आहे ते स्पष्ट बोलत असेल तर त्याला स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड म्हणतात. Let's see the next phrase. A dark horse. It means he or she has some mysterious past, or he or she is very much skilled at something but he or she doesn't want to show to others, like this. A party animal. It means he or she enjoys parties. Let's see the next phrase. A golden boy. A person who is intelligent, smart, as well as winning, and everyone likes him, like this. Let's see the next one. A big fish in a small pond. It means a very much skilled person in a small group or in a small company, and he is very much satisfied of it, like this. Let's see the next phrase. Dressed to kill. It means he or she is dressed to attract people. Let's see the last phrase. Whiz kid. It means a boy or kid who is very much clever, talented, and intelligent. Well, who is whiz kid in your family? My dear friends, today we have seen words and phrases, idioms for personalities. I hope you will use in your daily conversation. If you like this video, please comment and share to others. Thanks for watching guys. See you soon.